Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 A8. Its supremacy is unchallenged. It is the manifestation of power coupled with luxury that makes the A8 priceless. This vehicle has less than 700 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual moonroof, turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, four-wheel disc brakes. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.